Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty rough day today, so let's get some things updated here. First thing to really focus on is just the level of support, and there's nothing fancy behind this at all other than the fact of just it's where the bleeding finally stopped today after what was quite the nasty gap and trap. I mean, to think that the price actually gapped open there, some poor souls bought, and then from there, just all the way back down. Nice to see at least a little bit of a bounce, but still overall pretty rough. But the point here being the bleeding did stop not once, but actually on 2 separate occasions, right down there at 53 cents. So 53, definitely an important level of support going into next week. Again, 2 separate times, the bears try to press down through there, but to give some credit where credit is due, the bulls were able to hold strong and maintain the price up above that area. So 53, key area of support, and like I said, the price did actually put together a little miniature bounce right here. So if this bounce is, going to get any sort of continuation or have any chance at, turning things around in a bigger way, the overall level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, it is valued at 56 cents, but keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line's going to move itself and get further and further downwards. So keep an eye on that. And, overall, as long as the price is below there, then, the bears are technically in control. But if the price can get above there and then start to maintain above it, that could definitely be the start of a bigger turnaround. But as of right now, top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance or anything like that. It's more so about just stabilizing out and making sure that, there's not any more new lows that get put in a plate. So overall, though, crazy movement today, pretty rough, but we'll see if that can generate some sort of bounce or not going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.